I'm Alan from Melbourne Museum, and today we're going to look at one of my favourite groups of bugs, the Huntsman Spider. There's actually about 200 different kinds of huntsmen living in Australia, and believe it or not, they're less harmful to people than honeybees. This one is one of the largest kinds of huntsman. It's called a banded Huntsman Spider. Most huntsman spiders are found living on the bark of trees, particularly gum trees and wattle trees. During the night they forage around the trunk of the tree looking for food, and during the day they shelter under the bark, and their flattened bodies allow them to get into tiny gaps and crevices. Huntsman spiders have excellent camouflage. They range from brown to grey, and as you can see, this particular one here has banding on its legs just to blend in with the banded bark that they live on. Huntsman spiders are predators, and in the wild they'll catch and eat all sorts of insects and also other spiders. Here at the museum we feed them insects such as crickets and cockroaches, and right now she's hoeing into a nice juicy cricket. In fact, spiders can only eat juicy things. They can't eat hard parts of food, so what they do is inject their venom, turn the insides of the cricket into juice, and then suck it out. Huntsman spiders lay their eggs in a silk wrapping we call an egg sac, and huntsman spiders' egg sacs are very flat like this one here. Now this one's actually hatched, and you can see on the back where it's been torn open by the mother, and all the little tiny babies have emerged. They can have up to 200 or 300 babies in one egg sac. Now when the little ones come out, they actually shed their skin to grow, and as they get bigger they look like miniature replicas of their mother or father. So they just look like that. Each time they grow they shed off another cast of themselves, another skin, and the skin we call an exoskeleton. So this is one from a half-grown huntsman spider. One amazing thing about huntsman spiders is that they have the ability to run sideways. Some people even call them giant crab spiders for that reason. That means that they can actually scurry off very quickly and get into cracks in a tree or under the peeling bark very quickly to avoid a predator. And it's because their legs, instead of being up like this like most spiders, they're orientated like this. They're sort of sideways on the body. Another fascinating fact about huntsman spiders is they have amazing sensory hairs on their legs. These fine hairs pick up vibrations of their prey, things like moths flying around at night. And in fact, huntsman spiders can hunt in pitch dark. One final fascinating fact about huntsman spiders is that they trail a safety line of silk behind them wherever they go. So on the trees they'll attach this line of silk just like a rock climber would attach a rope when they're climbing around on rocks. So if this huntsman has to leap off the tree to avoid a predator, it can then come back up the safety line later on when the coast is clear.